Walking through the fields so green, where the leaves and tails convene. Morning mist, a gentle stream breathes life into this stream. Every step is soft and slow. Through the hills the breezes blow. Ancient roots and stories sow in the land where tea trees grow. Serenity in every leaf. Nature's whisper brings relief. Winding paths of endless peace. In these fields our spirit sees. Mountains whisper tales old and true. In the morning dew anew. Lush landscapes, a splendid view, painting skies in shades of blue. Whisper winds our guide and friend, on this trail where secrets blend. Every turn an endless send. In this world our hearts defend. Silent echoes in the air, sense so sweet beyond compare. Journey free from worldly care, in this wonderland we share.